Good morning. Today we're going to work on lesson 104 out of our 5th grade math book. The lesson today is dividing by two-digit numbers, part 3. What we're going to do today is that we're going to use estimation as a way to help us with our two-digit problems. First of all, this is our problem that we're going to start out with, 595 divided by 19. But we're going to take a step to estimate first when we look at our first numbers. We're going to look at, can 19 go into 5? No, of course it can't. But are we going to try 19 into 59? We are. But there's an easier way to look at that if we estimate. 59 is closest to 60 if we round. And 19 is closest to 20. And then we can take it one step easier and use our first digits. How many times can 2 go into 6? You're right.
4 times.
You're right. It's 3 times. Thanks to our cameraman, videographer, Dylan, it is not 4 times. We're in trouble. Okay, so once we think, now that we think that, hey, that's going to go 3 times, I'm going to check and make sure. So I'm going to take my 19 over here in my note side, times it by 3, and go, hey, 9 times 3 is 27. Put down our 7, carry our 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus our 2 is 5. Sure enough, 57 is going to fit into our 59. So let's go ahead and start there. So there's our multiplication. Our next step is to subtract. 9 take away 7 is 2. 5 take away 5 is 0. Check. Is 2 less than 19? It sure is. We're now ready to see if there's anything to bring down. You're right. We need to bring down the 5. Now we have the number 25. Well, if you have 25, can 19 go into it at least once? You're right, it does, just once. So let's try that. 1 times 19 is 19. Now we need to subtract. 15 take away 9 is 6. 1 take away 1 is 0, and we have our 0. So now we have remainder of 6. So the answer to 595 divided by 19 is 31 remainder 6. And we can check that out by multiplying 31 times 19. One times 9 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Put our bubble. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we add. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. But we're not done yet because we have that remainder of 6. So let's add on our 6. Sure enough, 9 times 6 is 15. Carry 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, and then carry down our 5. We have 595, and it matches the 595 we did together. Okay, let's look at practice A. We have 19 into 792. Okay, to use our estimate method again, we would take over our 19 into 79 and round. 19 is closest to 20, 79 is closest to 80. And that goes down to 8 divided by 2, and sure enough that's 4. But let's double check for times 4, 36, 76. Sure enough, 76 is going to fit into 79, our 4 times. So 4 times 19, 76. Subtract 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. 3 is 19. Carry down our 2. And we can double check just to make sure if 1 is okay, but we'll try 2 just in case. And we get 38, which is too much, which leaves us with 1 times 19. And subtract. And we get remainder of 13. Once again, let's check. And add our remainder. Sure enough, we did find getting 792. So, dividing by two-digit numbers, part 3, is your lesson today. Go ahead and get to work.